much of those trunks of trees that you see right here. These broomstick stalagmites grow very tall, as you can see, but yet are very thin. We think they grow very tall, but yet very thin, because of slow, steady dripping water. This slow, steady dripping water allows these formations to grow up, but not out. Now behind these broomstick stalagmites, we have the second tallest column in Natural Caverns. We call this column the totem pole. The totem pole is 32 feet tall, and it's about 8 inches in diameter. Now some of you may be wondering, how do the caverns of Natural Caverns actually form? Well, it is believed that about 120 to 140 million years ago, Texas was covered by a warm, shallow sea. Now as we know, there's plants and animals in the sea, and as these plants and animals die, they fall to the bottom of that sea. Now at the bottom, these dead plants and animals actually mix with rock and other sedimentary material. Now due to the weight and pressure above this from all that water, all this at the bottom eventually turns into a thing called limestone. And you can see an example of this limestone right here. So at one time this was all plants, animals, and sedimentary material. And these different layers of limestone that you see actually indicate different periods of time that this limestone was formed. So that's how we get the rock layers in here. Now after that, the sea that was over Texas actually went back to where it is today, the Gulf of Mexico. And about 20 million years ago, Texas was experiencing seismic activity or earthquakes. Now these earthquakes actually cause vertical cracks, or what geologists call joints, to form in the surface. And the bottom of these joints can actually be seen in the ceiling of this room. So these joints actually go all the way back and even into the next room. So once these joints opened up, water started to go through these joints.